For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an event venue business is an exciting opportunity to tap into a profitable industry that caters to weddings, parties, corporate events, and more. With AI tools, the process can be faster, more cost-effective, and smarter. Here's a step-by-step guide to launching your event venue business using AI. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI. Before anything, understand your market. Research demand, competition, and ideal customers. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for brainstorming and analysis. Google Trends and SimilarWeb for market trends. Crayon and SEMrush for competitive intelligence. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Act as a market researcher. Help me analyze the demand for an event venue business in city, state. Include target demographics, types of events in demand, and average rental pricing. Use AI to identify gaps in your local market. Pinpoint high-demand event types, e.g., weddings versus conferences. Explore price expectations and trends. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. Once you've validated your idea, outline your path to success with a clear business plan. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Notion AI for writing the business plan. Canva Docs AI or Jasper for document styling. Prompt example. Write me a complete business plan for an event venue business in city. Include executive summary, business description, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. AI helps you save time on formatting. Structure a comprehensive plan. Generate financial forecasting models with tools like ChatGPT or ChatExcel. Step 3. Choose your business model and legal setup. Decide whether to own a venue, lease a space, or partner with a property. Then, set up your legal entity. Use AI tools. Legal Robot or Do Not Pay to understand legal structures. ChatGPT for brainstorming pros and cons. Prompt example. What are the pros and cons of owning versus leasing a venue for an event space business? Include financial and legal implications. AI tools also help. Draft your business formation paperwork. Generate EIN application checklists. Prepare basic lease agreement outlines. Step 4. Find and evaluate a property. Selecting the right location is crucial. AI can help you analyze traffic data, zoning, and nearby competition. Use AI tools. Reonomy or Placer.ai for commercial property intelligence. Google Maps AI APIs for geospatial analysis. Prompt example. Evaluate properties for an event venue in target area with a focus on accessibility, parking, nearby amenities, and competitive presence. Use AI to assess walkability and traffic patterns. Predict foot traffic using heat maps. Compare lease prices and utility costs. Step 5. Design and set up the venue with AI assistance. Use AI to optimize the interior layout, lighting, and ambience for different event types. Use AI tools. RoomGPT and Planner 5D for layout visualization. Midjourney or Doll. E for mood boards and style inspiration. Prompt example. Generate layout designs for a 5,000 square foot event venue optimized for weddings, corporate events, and private parties. AI can help. Create flexible floor plans. Suggest cost-effective design materials. Optimize acoustics, lighting, and furniture placement. Step 6. Pricing strategy with AI support. Use AI to help you develop competitive and profitable pricing strategies. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for pricing models. Excel with AI plugins or ChatExcel for financial modeling. Prompt example. Help me create a pricing strategy for an event venue that includes hourly rates, packages, and seasonal discounts. AI will guide you to compare pricing in your area. Simulate income projections at different utilization rates. Calculate break-even and ROI. Step 7. Marketing plan and branding with AI. Craft your marketing strategy using AI-powered content generation and campaign planning tools. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Jasper for copywriting. Canva AI for branding visuals. Okoya or PRedis.ai for social media automation. Prompt examples. Create a marketing plan for a new event venue in city, targeting weddings and corporate events. Write Instagram captions to promote a luxury event venue grand opening. AI helps you create logos, slogans, and brand colors. Schedule social media posts across platforms. Design brochures, flyers, and ads with AI-generated templates. Step 8. Build an AI-enhanced website. A website is essential for bookings and showcasing your venue. Use AI for design and optimization. Use AI tools. Wix ADI, Durable.co, or hosting your AI website builder. ChatGPT for content creation. Grammarly or Hemingway for editing. Prompt example. Write a homepage for a modern event venue in city that offers weddings, parties, and corporate rentals. Highlight amenities, pricing, and contact info. AI can build your website structure in minutes. Optimize for SEO using Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer. Integrate booking forms and calendars. Step 9. Automate customer service and bookings. Leverage AI to automate responses and manage bookings efficiently. Use AI tools. Tidio or Intercom for AI chatbots. Calendly or SimplyBook.me with AI scheduling. Zoho CRM with AI or HubSpot. Prompt example. Create an AI chatbot script for an event venue website that answers FAQs about availability, pricing, and services. AI can automatically reply to inquiries, schedule tours and consultations, send reminders and follow-ups. Step 10. Launch and promote your venue. Launch your venue with a bang using AI for outreach and event planning. Use AI tools. MailChimp with AI Campaign Builder. ChatGPT for press release drafting. Lumen 5 or InVideo AI for promo video creation. Prompt example. Write a press release for the grand opening of venue name, a new event space in city, offering weddings and corporate event services. AI supports you in creating a buzz with promotional content, managing launch events and guest lists, analyzing campaign performance with AI dashboards. Step 11. Collect feedback and optimize. Use AI to gather customer feedback, analyze sentiment, and make improvements. Use AI tools. Monkey-Learn or Lexalytics for sentiment analysis. Google Forms with AI summarization. Review trackers for review monitoring. Prompt example. Summarize key feedback themes from customer reviews for an event venue and suggest improvements. AI helps identify common praise and complaints. Prioritize upgrades or service changes. Track reputation across platforms. Conclusion. AI can guide and automate nearly every step of launching an event venue business, from ideation to expansion. By integrating AI tools into your workflow, you save time, reduce costs, and make smarter business decisions. Whether you're creating marketing plans, managing bookings, or optimizing pricing, AI is your silent business partner, working 24/7 to help you succeed. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.